Ever wondered where the magic happens? Where the software that helps thousands of home and commercial service businesses thrive is born. You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the location of ServiceTitan headquarters. Buckle up, because this isn't just about an address. It's about the story behind the location and how it reflects the company's mission. Imagine a company revolutionizing an industry. A company that's not just about selling software, but about empowering entrepreneurs, improving customer experiences, and building thriving local economies. That's ServiceTitan. But where does this innovative force operate from? What kind of environment fosters such groundbreaking work? Let's find out. Before we reveal the location, let's quickly recap what ServiceTitan does. In a nutshell, they provide an all-in-one software platform for home and commercial service businesses. Think of it as the operating system for companies like plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, and more. ServiceTitan helps them streamline operations, improve customer service, and ultimately grow their businesses. Now, you might be thinking, why does the location of a company's headquarters even matter? Well, it matters a lot. A company's headquarters often reflects its values, its culture, and its connection to its community. It can also play a significant role in attracting and retaining top talent, revealing the location. So, where is ServiceTitan headquarters located? Drumroll, please. It's in Los Angeles, California. More specifically, they reside in Glendale, California, a vibrant city just north of Los Angeles. Exploring the significance. Why Los Angeles? Well, there are a few key reasons. Firstly, Los Angeles is a major hub for technology and innovation. It's a city that attracts top talent from around the world, making it an ideal location for a tech-driven company like ServiceTitan. Secondly, Los Angeles is a diverse and dynamic city, which aligns perfectly with ServiceTitan's commitment to inclusivity and diversity. The company strives to create a workplace that reflects the diversity of its customers and the communities it serves. Thirdly, Los Angeles is a major market for home and commercial services. Being based in the heart of this market allows ServiceTitan to deeply understand the unique challenges and opportunities facing businesses in this sector, highlighting the company culture. But the location of ServiceTitan headquarters is more than just a physical address. It's about the environment that fosters innovation and creativity. ServiceTitan is known for its vibrant and collaborative culture. Their headquarters reflect this with modern and inspiring workspaces that encourage teamwork and communication. Think open floor plans, state-of-the-art technology, and collaborative spaces designed to spark creativity. The company also emphasizes employee well-being with amenities like fitness centers, on-site cafes, and wellness programs. This focus on employee well-being is crucial for attracting and retaining top talent. In today's competitive job market, companies need to offer more than just competitive salaries. They need to create a workplace where employees feel valued, supported, and inspired to do their best work, connecting to the mission. Ultimately, the location of ServiceTitan headquarters reflects the company's mission: to empower home and commercial service businesses to succeed. By being based in a dynamic and innovative hub like Los Angeles, ServiceTitan can tap into the best talent, stay at the forefront of technology, and better serve its customers. But it's not just about the location. It's about the culture that's cultivated within that location. A culture of innovation, collaboration, and a deep commitment to customer success. This culture is what truly drives ServiceTitan's success. As ServiceTitan continues to grow and evolve, its headquarters will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the future of the company. It will be the center of innovation, the hub for collaboration, and the foundation for continued success. So there you have it. The next time you think about ServiceTitan, remember that the magic happens in Glendale, California. Remember the vibrant culture, the innovative spirit, and the unwavering commitment to empowering businesses and improving lives. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.